Today I will do an art history Zentangle design. For this project, I am using a painting of George Washington. I have cut out the face, just the skin of the face, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it onto a blank piece of drawing paper. Now I'm going to try my best to kind of draw the rest of the painting. So I'm doing just kind of a light line for the outline of the hair. I am going to go ahead and do the same thing for the clothes, just to kind of get the general idea of the rest of the picture of the painting that I am looking at. And I'm doing this with the pencil first until I've got the entire thing complete. Next, I'm going to divide up the lines into smaller sections to make more areas to work with. And then I will trace all of those areas with a Sharpie. At this point, I'm going to start adding patterns to each of those sections. These patterns can be called Zentangles. I use line patterns and shape patterns. Here you can see some examples of student work. They have cut out the skin, glued it on, and now are adding patterns to all of the different areas of theirs as well. It helps to look up patterns online or have printouts of different Zentangle patterns as well, so that you can try to use a variety. But each section that has been divided up on the clothing and hair should be filled with a different pattern, whether it be a line pattern or a shape pattern. Here you can see my finished George Washington filled with all kinds of fun patterns. And here are some of my student ones as well, also filled with some very neat Zentangle patterns. You can do black and white like we did, or you could also use colored Sharpies or whatever you have around. So this is a fun project to try. I hope you enjoy it and let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching Elke Art. See you again soon.